What was Asante Kotoko de no?
Mehu.
One just no.
Yes, mehu.
Mr. Jeff Uru team Monfa just ni me no mun situate wo your YouTube page ho. Na ayenya de kitua bi ansana ya baba ye transfer na so far. Your house of folk ne Asante Kotoko titu players ban Edna omutimi wie ansana ye ka transfer window no. And so at good so one just ni me no.
Mehu just ni me no.
Then efe.
Question wo dey anu eden. Obi ade efe.
O ba ade ya ba. Ne fe de me no ya ade say.
Obi ade efe pa.
O de just ni me nu na to wa. And ni nyina so ni me nu nsu na the whole brand.
Of course. The whole brand.
Nti ade just ni me nu na efe ba ade ba ko efe che ba.
Sana wadwene be o de nti America sa uti. How to folk. Any designer ya efe ma no. Yeah. Into alone at the specifications Emma hope. Emma we just your pedemo. Okay, yeah. So adding the specifications. Yeah, the man.
Yeah, jump for any be a radio on OT and nano pay. How's it just the neck no more no. I can say club T neck.
Club T neck, yes.
That's what I say. And now Kotoko Diani round bisa round neck. So and now okay, you with the house dear no. House dear no. Okay, so Mr. Do what in us in tea.
Ono dey say dia Kotoko dear na be.
Yes, obviously go.
Oh, but Rich, me honestly, two teams no jerseys no omo dey ahead of the season no. Rich ni nyina efe pa. Me ball mu nyina ba so. Me amitima Asante Kotoko ye dear no efe. Ba house nso unim house dear ba ko ana me dey ada omo. House dear ne so no. Ye ba be say season ase a ehon no target the fence. Anya pitch ni so. Onu dey say a me kai wo. Time na Brony by McNoonan. Okay, so that time I had to focus on Ambro. And you waiting say how to focus Ambro Jason no. Africa you waiting number 1. Okay. Now Jason number 1. Now the whole world so now ka Jason sa ye pa ho. Sa dia ne dia oya dia o ho. Ni Jason efe Carlos na efe na Jason nso efe Kotoko nso dia efe but to house the otaje fans on Jason na mum dia mesra me say wo je fans ni say no ago pramane so na manim daddy me de obisa me ko sa ayi ya me ansa nya de bubu clubs ni na ba mi nso obi a ekodi tia me Kotoko ameka ekodi tia me house ameka but de minim ni say two teams no obi our specifications or demand the whole brand and honestly obi anso de o mpo he Kotoko Jason efe efe pa ba has de nso efe yie enti obi ade me fe ana me nso ampa as a sports pundit
wo de minimum so we obi a ba kukudu
of course we obi pa
ba no pay ade one
pa me nso obi awutie South West men kapa de na me anke beka cho say
ko de ya wo ya ofe
minimum
ani mi onu de na ofe
anka has de ni mu
has just na ofe
pa has de no credit as no credit nto say has de no okay. But the ama sana me by say Kotoko de no hye me fe by has de no
has de no
has de no say dia me Kotoko de na me hye by has de no
e say won so betumi aba
has de no utimi de la idea de so onu utimi de kokala spine e ba sorry adi jiro bi da bi how de ko bi
e do you want to be live YouTube na fe just ni me no betu so de we ya ofe brand betu so de ya ofe na Jude enna ya ka transfer window na tum